it. Put your pedals back. There you go. Feel how you brake? Okay, hen. Get her going, little guy. There you go. There you go. Use your leg muscles. Go ahead, Biggie. Get your leg muscles going.
I just practice him with him.
Go, Ad. Go. Push. Push. Push with your foot.
Watch me practice.
You got it. Push it.
Mommy, watch me practice.
Go. Okay.
Mommy, watch me practice with this.
Okay.
And then push.
Oh, yeah, with your brake. Yeah. Addo, use your brakes. There she goes. First.
I want to
Oh,
watch
no.
me. Look. I know, take me.
Look at your sister. Look where she ended up.
Mommy, did you take me stopping?
Oh, yeah. Henry has the handbrake over here. Check it out. Oh, yeah, baby. Handbrake and training wheels. Nothing better. Adeline, how's it going over there?